Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix problem can't hear Instagram video sound. First you need to open the Google Play Store or Apple Store and then go to the search bar on the top of the screen. Here enter the Instagram, find, and here if you can see update, click on it. And then you can try to check you hear sound or not. If not, go to the setting and then open this control center and find the battery saver. Just click on to turn on this option and turn off, and then check Bluetooth turn off or turn on. If it turn on, just turn off this function, and then if it not working, go to the Google Play again and just uninstall the Instagram and download it again. And this all of the method for fix this problem. That's all for today. Goodbye.